It's a cultural divide. I'm gonna get it.
Dadating ko lang, kung sales agad. Lagi ako nanonood, dahil ko pinapanood ko si Sir Nico saka kayo. Galing pa kami Batangas.
Hinarap ko lang talaga yun sa'yo.
Punta na kami dito, nag-wish lang kami para makapunta. For this colorway, our price is 45. This other colorway, 43.
Magkano na?
Last natin, maximum 43.5.
Magkano na? 30%?
20 lang, 20% lang po. Sige boss, place tayo ng pre-order. What's your name pala boss?
Brian.
Brian, Nico po. Nice to meet you boss.
Pero madalas namin dito.
Jane.
Nabili na rin kami ng
Ay, bumili na po kayo ng on-cloud. Dapat binibigyan natin ng cup sila sir. Bumibili ng on-cloud, tapos ay grabe. Boss. Cloud Swift. Tama ba? Cloud Swift? AD, Cloud Swift AD. Yes madam, kaya yan. Pre-order 7 to 10 days lang. Bigyan natin kayo madam ng 11.5. 11.5 lang. Madam, pre-order din. Sige po.
Sige. Kasi nung nagpunta rin kami sa wala rin sila.
Iwan kayo ng boss ng contact number.
Thank
Boss,
you.
thank you. Salamat po. Salamat.
Thank you ng color. Thank you. Thank you.
So yun guys, sold 2 pairs, Loewe, Cloud Tilt, bestseller natin, Dark Sand. Sold for 43,500 and then nakasold tayo ng Cloud Swift AD, color white, for 11,500. Karadating ko lang, 2 sales agad. 2 is better than 1. Sa US pa yun boss galing, kaya nakapang mainit ako. 11? 11 meron niya. Ay, wala na. 12 meron boss. Sige boss.
Nasa 11?
12 po, madam. Sold out naman siya yung hindi ako. 11 talaga. Reorder po siya. Abutin tayo ng 7 to 10 days na. Bigay ka na ng 14.5.
Okay. So 14. 4.
Sige boss, 14. Tropa naman eh. Sige po. Deal. Doon na lang po sa cashier si Lady Jen. Jen, kasi si Boss, ano mga mo?
Dennis.
Nice to meet you, Boss Dennis. Yun, so sold kay Boss Dennis yung Cloud Nova Form 2, Abundant Green, bestseller natin. Pre-order, sold for 14,000 lang.
So guys, si Sir Fred po pala.
Sir Fred.
Fred and si
Dia.
Si Mabia. Ayan. So si Sir Fred, kanina umaga, nandito na siya. Naghahanap siya ng size niya, 7.5. Ang hirap makakuha. So ito lang yung meron tayong available. Globe Sand, we sold it for 16,000. And si size, galing pa ng Africa.
Africa sa Uganda, kakauwi ko lang. Lagi ako nanonood, dahil ko pinapanood ko si Sir Nico saka kayo. Galing pa kami Batangas.
Hinarap ko lang talaga yun sa'yo.
Punta na kami dito, nag-wish lang kami para makapunta.
Sir Fred, thank you so much.
Thank you. Release on September, the newest Jordan Mondo Fragment Travis collab. Yung color white and blue lang. Ang ganda. Kaya lang, I suggest you join the raffles and everything para 9,000 lang yung SRP niyan, di ba? 9,000, tapos magkano mong bibilin pag resell na, 100. Para makatipid ka, boss. If you're looking for a pair na medyo okay yung presyo, I suggest this one and also the, the olive, medium olives. Kaya medyo mura pa yun. And also this one din. Ito maganda.
Thanks for the advice.
Sige po, boss.
You have a card?
Yes po, I have a calling card. My name is Nico, by the way, I'm the owner of the shop po. Nice to meet you, boss. Sir Kevin, sige po. So yun guys, watch out for the newest Travis Scott collaboration that's gonna release in September. So far, it's my favorite colorway. So yung pinaka-gustong kong colorway sa ngayon. Kung if you're still into the J1. Then Nico, nice to meet you, brother. What's your name? Nico.
Nico Baydon.
Nico Baydon? Si Ted. Ted Baydon. Ito ba yung essentials? Ayun, ang ganda. Pwede ko itong suot ngayon. So, nag-usap tayo sa Viber. I think you were asking for like 7.5. And there's room pa naman to negotiate, di ba? Ang Miki on offer, brother, 7,000 now, cash, bibili na.
Check ko muna sa
Sige lang. Go lang. Okay na kayo? Okay, we're good. Okay, done deal. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Salamat, brother. Wala na naman tayo sa plano, pero pag-asos tayo ng NBA collab na t-shirt na Fear of God. Perfect pa yung size. Essentials, Fear of God brand was designed and created by Jeremy Lorenzo. He wanna sell luxury. Masyadong mahal and hindi sikat, so hindi masyadong mabenta. So what he did, he made a mid-level essentials. So ito yung mga essentials na you guys commonly know. Yung tag nun, madalas yung ganito, nakalagay essentials. Every once in a while, you will see Fear of God yung tag, That means it's on the higher level. Now you know. Ayun sila, tropo. Pasok kayo, sir! Pasok kayo, sir! Yan. Tapos ito yung mga friends natin from Alto, guys, ha? Bibili sila dito, bibili sila ng discount, ha? Tapos nga, bibili natin silang top kasi mga nakasubscribe to sa channel natin, eh. Boss, ano pangalan mo?
Martin, sir.
Martin and brother Charles. Eto, get nice ka po. Ayan, oh. Bibigyan natin, oh. At para shot nyo, ha?
Po kami.
Sige, tingin kayo, bro. Tingin kayo. So, ayun, guys. It's the end of the day. Marami na naman tayong nabenta today. Pero I'd like to think na we're not just selling the products, eh. So, all the more, every day, you know, during this journey, I think what we want to sell here in Get Nice is the service and the relationship with the customers. So, yun. Peace out.
Sir, dip check na po.
Drip check na. Okay, sige. For the cap, we're wearing MLB. Available sa MLB, guys. Tapos, for the jacket, we're wearing Rockaware bomber jacket. This is available for 10,500 sa Get Nice store. Tingnan, ganda yun. Diba? For the inner shirt, wearing Kaos to. Not available sa Get Nice. Pero for the pants, we have Rockaware. Pero yung fitting niya, same like Rick Owens. For those that knows, this is 10.5 also available sa Get Nice store. And for the shoes, we have the Bapesta triple white. This is for 25,000 available sa Get Nice store.